Kaypro keyboard repair. First of all, we have a bunch of screws around the top, as you would think, all the way around apart from the very front, and they hold the silver bit in place. Okay, silver bit's off. We now have the 4 screws there and disconnect from the board so we can remove it from the blue bottom case. Okay, that's it removed. And if we turn it over to get access to the pads that we've replaced, you can see that there is a ridiculous number of little screws. Screws out, and now we lift it and see the little pads underneath. As you can see, little silver discs make connection under there, and the little pads themselves are made of the same stuff that you get in old cassettes, you know, the kind of foam stuff that means that the tape stays against the head, and much like the stuff that they use in old 8-track tapes, it just simply disintegrates over time. There, that one there, as you can see, it's raised. That's one of my previous repairs, and I will be doing the repair with my little pom-pom ball, and there would be the 1 key that wasn't working, and I believe that that's likely to be the G key. And there's one of the key things removed, and as you can see, it no longer bounces back. There we go. Those 2 have been replaced, which is that one and that one. I've left the one up there just now because I can use the one over in the numerical keypad there. As you can see, all of them are in various stages of needing to be replaced. I happen to only have one handy little white pom-pom, but the rest of them will need to be done eventually. These are just bits of silver plastic. You could get away with using tin foil and stuff like that. Really, you just want a little bit of adhesive to the little pom-pom, and there's usually enough left after you've scraped off the green stuff for it to stick to the pom-pom for returning after the key press. Let's put it together now. Here we go, mostly back together. And if you remember, I couldn't do G's. I can now do G's. These were also dodgy. There we go, so that's working. And this brings us back to where we were before. And this time, obviously, I can actually type in my login. Okay, so we are... Oh, that's not right. There we go. It's very slow. 300 baud, but even still. There we go. At last. And well, you've seen that before. So yeah, there we go. Oh, who's there? Somebody from Newcastle apparently was in last. That's not me. Have I got any mail? Yeah, that was my original one when I first joined up. Anyway, take care.